Hi, it's Terry Coatney, and welcome to Coffee with Coatney. I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker here in Vienna, West Virginia, and we also have offices in Marietta, Ohio. I've been doing a series of videos all about the home buying process. Today's video is about choosing the right mortgage. And there's basically government mortgages, which are FHA, VA, USDA, and then there's conventional mortgages. Conventional mortgages require you to have a stronger credit score, and also you're going to have a down payment. The government mortgages are not as stringent on that. You can have a lower credit score and lower down payment or no down payment in some cases. If you have a USDA loan, no down payment is required, same as a VA loan. There are some other fees associated with it. Well, with the conventional loan, you may be doing a 30-year. You could be also doing what's called a fixed rate. Uh, and also there's called an ARM, and that's an adjustable rate. So that means at the beginning the rate is one thing, and after so long a period of time, it can be changed. It could be either go lower or it can go higher. So there's different types of mortgages, and you should probably explore each option, see which one is best for you. If you have any questions or want to talk about any of these different types of mortgages, just give me a call and we'll chat. Hope you're having a great day.